Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad 3, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we're gonna hold the power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring up our boot options, and from here just swipe down to turn off your device. Once the tablet turns off, you're gonna hold power button and volume down at the same time. I'll shift it a little bit down just so I have a better grip. I'm gonna keep my hand on the screen just so the camera doesn't do this with the focus. So that's gonna help it a little bit. So power button, volume down. When you see the OnePlus logo, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume down. And as you can see, this gives us the language selection right here. So here, just tap on the language that you want to use, and this redirects us to the recovery mode. And here we don't have very many options. We have format data, which is basically a factory reset of the device covered by a randomly generated pin. And then we have reboot device or power off, two different methods of leaving this mode. And there's also no bootloader or any kind of mode other than that one. So anyway, we're gonna select reboot device and OK, and this will just bring us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.